Hello everybody, welcome to Ben's Ramblings. I've got something special for you today. This box next to me that's all blurred out right now is a big surprise and going to be some exciting stuff for the channel that's coming. This giant box is an Ooni Koda 16. It's a 16-inch gas pizza oven made specifically for cooking Neapolitan-style pizzas. It gets to 950 degrees Fahrenheit and can cook a pizza in 90 seconds. We'll unbox it in a minute, but right now I'm going to show you the accessories that came with it. I've got some accessories to go with it and get started with using the pizza oven. The first thing I got is this cover for the 16-inch Koda. I got this Cooking with Fire. This is Ooni's cookbook. The cool thing about this oven is you can use it for more than just pizza. It can be used to cook with cast iron pans. You could sear steaks off in it, all kinds of things. It has their basic pizza recipe in it, their basic sauce recipe. It also has a bunch of other pizza recipes. And on top of that, it has a number of recipes for using cast iron to cook in the pizza oven. The pizza oven can be used to sear steaks, cook potatoes, vegetables, all kinds of things. So we'll eventually give some of that stuff a try as well. I've also heard great things about using it to sear off meat that's been cooked in a sous vide already. This is the 16-inch bamboo peel and serving board. Let's open this up and take a look. Nice bamboo pizza peel. You see it's got Ooni there on the handle. So the peel has two uses, the wooden peel. You can use it to prep the pizzas on and slide them into the oven. You could use this as a cutting board to cut your pizzas after they're done. You cannot use it to retrieve the pizzas. It's just too thick. Even with, I don't know if you can see there, but there's a nice angle on the edge of the board, but it's too thick to retrieve the pizzas from the oven. Got the Ooni infrared thermometer with laser pointer, and this is used so that we can make sure the oven's up to temperature. It should take about a half an hour to get up to 950 degrees, and we'll use this to make sure it's up there. Then once you cook one pizza, the stone at the bottom of the Ooni does drop temperature a little, so you use this to make sure you're back up to temperature before you put the second pizza on. Take a quick look at it. So it takes two AAA batteries, which it comes with some real generic AAA batteries. Comes with a nice little carrying case, and here it is. All right, it opens up like this, and I'll put these batteries in. Pull the trigger, and it's in Celsius. There are buttons here for Fahrenheit and Celsius. I'll switch to Fahrenheit, and the wall in my house is reading 70. Actually, let's see, it's a little too far away. I'm gonna have to play with this. It's reading very high. Let's see what that does. I think this is defective out of the box unless I maybe need to do the guy thing that they don't like doing, which is read the directions. I've used infrared thermometers before, and they normally just work. Let's see, as low as negative 26 Fahrenheit to 1022 Fahrenheit. This should be perfect for reading, but when I'm scanning this box right here in front of me, I'm getting almost 150 degrees. So I don't know if you can see that, but 149 degrees. I know it's not meant to be used on people, but I'm shining it at my forehead. That's saying 91, so I don't know. And my arm is saying 162. It's kind of all over the place. I'll have to play with this a little more, but I think there may be something wrong with it. May have to return this. Keep all the packaging for that, just in case it needs to go back to Ooni. That's disappointing. All right, so let's move on from the thermometer, which is robust so far. We have Ooni pizza oven brush. And this is a stainless steel soft bristled brush. This is used to clean the bottom of the stone if you have any dust from flour or anything that you've used on the bottom of your dough, or if you have a burned pizza. It comes with this, let's pull this off here. It comes with this scraper on the end. That way you can scrape the stone and then brush it all off. Nice long handle so you can reach in there and not have to worry about getting your hand too close to the heat. They package things pretty well. A bunch of bubble wrap around everything. All right, this weighs a ton. This is what they call the dual-sided Grizzler or Griddler. They call it a Grizzler. So dual-sided Grizzler, meaning that it's a sizzle and a griddle. Or a sizzle and a grill. So let's open this up and take a look. This comes with a pre-seasoned cast iron pan. It is, I want to say 12 inches by 12 inches. You can see it's flat here. If you flip it over, it's a grill pan. So again, you can cook vegetables, meat, all that sort of thing using this pan. So you may notice the pan has these two slots, and those slots are to use handles to easily put this in or take it out of the oven. The handles are also cast iron, so nice and heavy duty. The handles fit into those slots, and you can then lift the whole thing like this. So you can do that from either side so that it's griddle side up or grill side up. It also comes with, because once you have that nice big hot pan, it also comes with a wooden board to put it down on so that you can take your pan, put it down. It's got a groove around the edges, and the lip from the pan fits right into that. So there you can see it's sitting on the pan. The pan is sitting on the wood. So that fits right in there. It won't slide off. Nice and tight. So looking forward to using that. Make some nice stuff besides pizza in the oven. Last thing in my accessories that came from Ooni is a 14-inch perforated pizza peel. So the wooden peel is a 16-inch. So if you're trying to put a 16-inch pizza into the oven, I'll be able to use that. This 14-inch perforated peel, we can also use to put pizzas in the oven, obviously, if they're bigger than 14 inches, because you can put a 16-inch in the Koda 16. You'll have to use the wooden peel. But this peel is perforated, and the perforations allow you to shake some of that the peel is perforated. I don't know if you can see that in the video. But the peel is perforated to allow you to shake some of the flour off the surface of the dough when it's on the bottom of the pizza. That way, some of that won't go into the oven and burn on the bottom of the stone. So there's our 14-inch perforated peel. Nice handle. Those are the accessories I got from Ooni. I did buy one other book, The Pizza Bible, from Tony Gemmagiani. He's a 12-time world pizza champion. I'm sure I mangled his name just now. But he wrote this book. There are all different styles of pizza in it. Some of them will obviously not really work in the Ooni oven. It's way too hot. Even when you turn it down, it would probably be too hot for something like a Detroit style or a Chicago deep dish. But we'll try some different styles. I know my wife is definitely looking forward to New York style, and it can be done in this oven. So we'll try different things and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I've got the Ooni box back on the table. I've got it on its side because I'm going to open it from the top. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, it looks like it's a box in a box. So, let's get this shipping box off. All right. Now how do we open it? All right, here we go. Oh. So, here, turn it this way so you can see it. So, there's the box with the oven. Picture of the oven on it. I'll spin it around here. So some of the things you may have seen on the top of the box there: 16-inch stone baked pizza in 60 seconds, innovative L-shaped burner for one-turn baked pizza, easy ignition and control, and ready to cook in 20 minutes. So by ready to cook in 20 minutes, they mean that it just needs to be heated for 20 minutes. All right, let me open the front of the box here. Okay. First thing, when I open the box, right on top, claim your 3-year warranty. So we'll take a look at that. And Ooni Koda Essentials Guide. So let's just take a quick look, see if it's got anything about how it's packed. Quick start. Nope, just how to light it up. Put this aside. And open this box up. All right. I'm going to put this on the floor. This box is too big to deal with on the counter. The first thing right on top of the box, the stone. Comes in this nice, specially constructed bubble package, wrapped up really nicely. This is not broken. I'm going to just set this aside for now. Under that are our manual and safety instructions. Okay, the next thing in the box, the oven itself. Really simple, not a lot of pieces, obviously. You pull this plastic cover off.
Whoa, look at that pizza oven.
My son's excited. All right, let me turn it around so you can see the bottom. Okay, so there are 3 legs which fold up. This is the propane hose and regulator. Here's the control knob for the propane. You can hear there it's sparked. And here are the legs. Let's unfold those. Now, once we have it unfolded, it sits like that. I'll pull you over in a minute and get a better look at it. Here's the mouth of the oven, so you can see nice and big 16-inch oven. Let's turn this. Turn that like that. Oh, perfect. You can see that. So there is the oven. The stone itself has the Ooni logo on it. I don't know. It's got a little dark. So one side has the Ooni logo, one side does not. And the logo, or the stone, just slides right into the oven. Okay, there we go. That's it, slides right in. There you go. So now that the stone slid into the oven, I need to take this outside and burn it for about 30 minutes just to cook off any oils from the manufacturing process, and then we can use it to make a pizza. I wanted to show you one more thing. I just unwrapped the plastic off of the end of the connection for the propane tank, and there was, I'm just going to put it up in front of this white paper so maybe you can see it. There was this metal piece, and a lot of people ask what this is. It looks like an antenna, a whip, whatever you want to call it. There's this little spiral on the end here, and that is to use in case the igniter is not working on the Ooni. You can put a match in the spiral on the end here, extend it, turn the gas on, and light your burner with it without having to put your hand near it. So that's what this is for. A lot of people ask what it is. It's kind of a running joke on the Ooni forums on Facebook, or the Ooni groups on Facebook. But this is your match holder. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time when we make some dough, sauce, and our first pizzas. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget, subscribe and ring that bell to be notified of all our videos.
Ding ding!
Thanks for watching. See you next time.